I'm going to be breaking down how I made $2,183 trading Euro USD, with the simplest trades ever, to be honest. So my daily bias wasn't, it was bearish. Like, it was, my daily bias was bearish, but I took two buys today. And these key lows here, these 30-minute lows, hourly lows, whatever time frame you want to say, I but I had them marked out on the hourly, and yeah, so I come onto the 15-minute. I was waiting for these lows to get swept the whole day on EU. They didn't end up getting swept, but when New York session opened, I saw price pushed into this range of equilibrium up here. Then, so I knew price was going to come sweep out these lows here, which I was trying to find an entry for a sell, couldn't find an entry. Price then come swept to London lows, so it was now looking at London lows, waiting for any sort of confluence. Price then had a big push up, marked out equilibrium, was waiting for price to come into equilibrium. Price come into equilibrium, pushed into this 5-minute fair value gap here. We got a bullish reaction out of it, and then inverse this 5-minute fair value gap. So I knew entry for sure, targeting these highs here. It was for a 1 to 1.8 R. Then sorry, we pushed up here. We had then a small push down, and to be fair, on MetaTrader, this 5-minute fair value gap got tapped into. So a lot of times, if there's a key sweep and your bias is continuing to go higher, you can easily wait for a confluence to pull, for example, a pullback into a fair value gap or some sort of zone equilibrium, and then you can get a re-entry back in and get another position rolling. So that's exactly what I did on MetaTrader. This fair value got tapped into, got my entry, and then I did target these highs originally, these London highs, but I did take out just before, just because I took a loss earlier in the day, which I'll do a trade recap on as well. And yeah, not that I wanted to make up for my loss, any emotions, but I also saw this big rejection here, and I was like, let me just take out. And yeah, it was only 11.7 pips. It was only 2 pips off TP anyway, so it's nothing too major. I know my stocks were at break even, but yeah, that was quite simple, to be honest. It was probably like some of the easiest trades I've ever took. Price action wasn't the cleanest today in terms of higher time frame price action, but 5-minute price action was very clean. And sometimes if you have clean price action with liquidity sweeps in the 5-minute, then that's all you kind of need. Literally, London lows got swept, 5-minute 5-minute equilibrium, 5-minute fair value gap, 5-minute inverse, straight to TP. Same here, similar here, straight to TP, and yeah, pretty much no drawdown on either of them trades. And yeah, I made $2,183, which I'll put somewhere on the screen now. But yeah, but I am profited $1,200 today because I lost 850 on gold. So, but I am up $1,200 today. So yeah, pretty clean day. And yeah, well, I'll see you guys tomorrow.